Okay, real quick here, guys. Wanted to go over some news that could affect a lot of sectors. I'm not going to wait till this weekend to push this out. Before I do so, come over to ztrade.net, check out our terms and conditions page and our disclaimer. If you don't agree to it, just leave. If you do agree to it, keep watching the video, join the Discord, completely free right here. Let's come over to the blog section here. You know, back under the Biden admin, they had halted chips, a lot of chips going to China, and had really beaten it down. I knew it wasn't going to last, so it's a buying opportunity. Then right after that, they took the foot off the neck, so to speak, and ships were flowing right back to China again. They did some billions. I can't remember the exact number, in the billions. AI. There was an AI bill, really got the market going. That was a great thing that the Biden administration had done. Fantastic thing. Well, now Trump's in. Right before the Biden admin left, they did the same thing again to NVIDIA. This is why NVIDIA is pinned and it's not running. It wants to run, but it's not running. It's kind of like putting your foot down on a wild dog. So I expect it to run once that's lifted. AI stocks rally on $5 billion government initiative. President Trump's recent unveiling of a $500 billion initiative to bolster artificial intelligence technologies has catalyzed significant movements in the AI-related stocks, including AVGO, which is going to be a part of building OpenAI's infrastructure, NVIDIA, and Oracle. I don't trust Sam Altman. I do not trust that guy at all. If you're seeing some of the stuff on ChatGPT, it has agendas. But other than that, ChatGPT is a fantastic tool. This ambitious plan aims to propel the U.S. to the forefront of AI development, outpacing global competitors like China and fostering technological advancements across various sectors. Under this new initiative, there is a strategic shift towards deregulation, which is what we need. Deregulating certain aspects of AI development. I actually go back on that. It's dangerous. I mean, we're going to go there. You can either be a spectator or you can be a participant, as Elon Musk says. Let me reread this. Under this new initiative, there will be a strategic shift towards deregulating certain aspects of AI development to encourage innovation while focusing on enhancing national security capabilities through AI. This dual approach aims to protect technological advancements from international espionage, particularly from China, and boost the domestic AI industry's global competitiveness. And then obviously at the end here, if you guys aren't in the Discord, you can join it right there. Disclosure, I have to state this. I only own AVGO calls. I don't own the equity. I guess I have to put that in there. And I own NVIDIA equity, and I'm selling puts on NVDX, if that even counts. This isn't financial advice. Interesting here. So when the government does something like this, you say, okay, and you this is my opinion. I'm not telling you all to do this, and you follow. Look what happened to NVIDIA, right? Last time. Let's take a look at this. We're going to look at NVIDIA here. Let's go back to a weekly. We'll go over to a weekly over here. That was over here where this happened. Whoa, excuse me. I'm looking at this wrong. I'm used to a 3-year, 3-week on TOS. This went back to, I was like, what, 29 cents? That was right over in here. It was this winter, right here. This was going on. It was right in this area. So when they had done a chip bill last time, now this is a bit different, but this affects what's the biggest AI company? In my opinion, that's NVIDIA. It's a shame OpenAI isn't public yet, but NVIDIA has everything, can do everything that ChatGPT can, OpenAI. They've got a robot. They have their little chat tool that can do things as well. It's already out, and OpenAI's isn't. So NVIDIA is better, in my opinion. Everyone tries to find the small company that could be the next NVIDIA. You're never going to do it. You're just going to lose all your money. Getting NVIDIA, in my opinion, is the best thing to do, especially if there's dips. I think this thing's going to pop out of this big time. Let me go ahead and remove all these little TAs, this little flags I was trying to draw up there, and wedges and trend lines. And that was over in here, basically around 12, 13 bucks. Right? And this thing's at 140 now. Guess who in the Discord? My old roommate put 10K in. It's worth over 100K now. Rob in the Discord, I'm not going to say how much he put in there, but he's still in. He bought down in here, and he is still in. I was talking to him live on the phone. I remember it. I was up in Wesley Chapel, and he was telling me, I remember this. I was like, NVIDIA's, I was talking about it everywhere. Man, this thing is beaten down. Look at it now. So I expect that it's a shame that it's not after a big decline going from, January all the way to October. That would be great if this thing had just plummeted for the next 6 months and then they did something like that. But hey, whatever. So options on NVIDIA obviously are a lot more now. It's not like, a good in between always is the leverage fund if there's big dips for midterm trades. I don't know about holding it long term. It can work out though. Owning the flat out shares is fantastic in my opinion. So, which is what I own. I swung AVGO calls, right? And we'll take a look at what happened to, unfortunately, we can't see this after hours. I wonder if I just minimize this. It's going to look a bit weird here. There we go. There's AVGO right there. So I got this right over in here, right there. Let's zoom in on this. I got this right here on this suck back. All right, here's where we're at. So right around 241, we're at almost 246 now. I swung these. They're doing well. Here's NVIDIA over here. NVIDIA really liked that news. There was that boost right there. There we are right there. So, and I'm hoping for AVGO to do well. I talked about AVGO on the watch list this weekend. We were right here. We've punched through now. I'm hoping that we're going to shoot higher up here. I want to take a look at a weekly real quick. Weekly looks totally fine to me. That would have been a great buy right as it started to continue up right there. Especially right there. Fantastic buy. 163. I don't buy the breakouts. I buy the bottoms of the channels. Because a lot of times they'll reject on the channel like there, here, like there. I like to buy the bottoms on the third. 1, 2, I guess you could count that as a third. But this is more of a perfect trend line here. We're not talking about the pattern that it's in. I'm following the trend line. And there can be a pattern. There could be wedges, pennants, flags, right? I like to buy it down there regardless of what pattern it is or playing the breakout. That's just a bonus. By the time it gets up there, I've trimmed so much, then you're just riding free, right? Let's take a look at how that affected Oracle. Oracle went loony yesterday. Let's go to a 5-minute chart. Here it was, and then the news was announced. 163 to a $10 move. And that's on a 5-minute chart. That's nuts. Anyways, guys, I'm going to get over into the Discord. I wanted to talk about this news. I'm going to be holding NVIDIA and not selling the equity. And if you guys like this information, make sure to like and follow for more. I'm waiting for crypto updates from Trump and to hear about the strategic reserve. Apparently, they've created, and I'll do a separate video on this, the Treasury has created an XRP wallet, and it's interacted with World Liberty Financial, and I can't remember what the other one was. So we'll see what happens there and what's going to go on there. And I believe, separate video, this is a teaser for the next video, I believe that X, Twitter, that Elon Musk bought, he's going to make it better. He's really turned the platform around. It got to the point where, it was getting ridiculous. But although their coverage was better under the last guy. But that aside, X Payments, which was Elon's company, which basically turned into PayPal, he's now, well, that's why he's calling it X. And I think that they're going to integrate XRP with the payment system in there, kind of make it like WeChat in China. Separate video, though. That's a teaser. I'll go into the details. Make sure to like, comment, and follow for more. Join the Discord completely free. I will see you guys in the Discord.